make an electric motorbike by Austine Tech. Welcome to the show. Welcome as we go straight to the show. Here is the title: Simple, cheap, electric and rechargeable motorbike. Simple, cheap and rechargeable electric motorbike. Let's go straight to the diagram. This is its diagram as you see it. Here is the wheel, the bulb, the side mirrors, the gears, the back wheel, the mudguard, the backlight, the indicators. Here are the indicators. This is a cross section diagram that shows how it looks like. This is the cross section. This is the diagram as you see it using the front side, while this is how you will see it using the back side. So the backlight, the number plate, the mudguard, the wheel, and here is the wheel, the indicator, and the bulb. Let's go straight to the project. Now here, it is charged here using the main charging portal. Then here is the converter. It converts the AC to DC, and the diode is here. It directs this current to the respective batteries. These batteries are the one that serve the whole system. Then the current comes from the battery to the bulb. The bulb has also a switch here that powers on this front and the back bulb. Then we go straight to this is a chain that rotates the gears. This gear is connected to a huge motor. This huge motor acquires current from the batteries. When you reduce resistance using this variable resistor, you will discover that the speed of this electric motorbike will be increasing, while if you reduce, you will see the speed will also be reducing. The side mirrors will help you to see what is at your back, while this one are the handles. The two switches at your handles, those are the switches to indicators. It depends on the direction on which you are going. You will power on the switch respectively to your directions. We go straight. This is the mudguard. Mudguard helps you to prevent mud from reaching to the driver. And here is the driver's charging portal. It has a driver charging portal simply to charge the driver's phone, and the driver will place here his phone while he or she is driving the electric motorbike. If we go here at the back, this is the wheel, the backlight, the seat, the light, the chain. Here is the stand. It will help you to stand up your electric motorbike if not it's not functioning. Here is the chain. This chain is strong enough that can rotate the two gears the same ratio. Here is the whole system of the electric motorbike. You can try it anywhere. Try it today and see change. Thank you. You can acquire the article of this video by just searching Austine Tech in Google. Thank you. Try it today. Search and try and make one at your home. You will see how the electric motorbike really functions. Thank you. Here are the diagrams. Here are now the working, how it works. How does it work? The whole system is driven by the huge motors. The huge motors rotate the gears, making the gears and the back wheel to rotate. This causes forward motion, as you can do the difference. Here are the gears and here are the huge motor. The one that rotates, this one causing the forward motion. We go to how to start and stop motion. In order to start, rotate the variable resistor to the right. It will allow the current to flow to the huge motor. Further rotation of the variable resistor causes further increase in the speed of the motorbike. In order to stop, just press the back brake and then slowly rotate the variable resistor to the the left to reduce on and off. Here is the simple. This one is the variable resistor, the one you see here, the small one. Now it is here shown very well. It means that if you rotate this thing to the right, you will be powering it on. While if you rotate it to the left, it will be being powered off. Here is the switch for indicators. It works mainly on the principle that if you power on, the indicators will work based on the direction in which the handle you are placing. The gear changing, it is simple. You have mainly on the variable resistor. If you rotate the variable resistor to the highest speed, the gears will increase. You see the charging portal, it has two charging portals. The charging portal, one will charge the driver's phone, while one will charge the whole system. We go to the stand. The stand has 2 feet stand that supports the motorbike when not moving. It looks like this, but cross-sectionally it looks like this. The stand. We go to the mudguard. The mudguard, just it protects you from getting wet by the mud. The front side appearance and back side appearance, I had already shown it to you. We go to the bulb switching. Just the bulb that controls this front bulb and the back bulb. It's here. Here is the bulb. You see the bulb, and the side mirrors are also there. Simple. There are another workings of it. Can just pass through them. You see, as you see, you see. This, while in Africa or Kenya, it saves you 101,000 shillings while making this at home than buying it. You just manufacture it at your home. It will save you 101,000 shillings. Imagine saving all that. Save this today. Thank you. You can access my more videos on Austine Tech YouTube or any other media. Thank you. Welcome.